told you how to solve grammatical items. Do you understand? How to solve, how to write grammatical items. Question number 9 and question number 10. We are discussing about that. And yesterday I started how you can solve the questions of what? Yeah, questions. Short questions after statement. There you should write short questions after statement. There are statements and you should write its short what questions. That can be positive and what? Negative. Question can be positive and what? Negative. According to the statement, if the statement is positive, the question tag is negative. Very good. If the statement is negative, question tag is positive. Usually this is the rule. But in special case, for example, in imperative, understand? Imperative, go out is the sentence. Open the door is the sentence. What is the tag question of open the door? Will you? Good. What is the tag question of don't open the door? Will you? Positive also, negative also. Both have the same tag question. You know it. Yes. And some other cases, for example, see, for example, either Ram or Sita. Either Ram or Sita goes to picnic. Either Ram or Sita. Here, today I am making discussion. I am going to make short discussion about some special type of what structure. For example, this either Ram or Sita. There are two what subjects. There are two nouns. What are the nouns? Ram and Sita. And it is joined with what? Either or. And which subject is taken while making question tag? Either Ram or Sita goes to picnic. Bob is here. And what is the verb? Yes. What is the auxiliary verb of this? Does. Yes, no doubt. There is does. And is it positive or negative? Positive or negative sentence? Positive. That question is? Negative. Very good. That question is negative. And what can be the tag question of this? Doesn't. Yeah. Any other? Doesn't see. Correct form is what? Doesn't see. Why? Because, remember, why? Because in this sentence, if the sentence say either or neither what? Nor. Not only, say, not only what? Not only doesn't, but also. Understand that? Either or, neither nor, not only doesn't, but also. And another what? There can be other nouns. Say, but also. These take pronoun. Take what? Pronoun with the closest. Take pronoun of the what? Closest noun from the verb. Here, see, simple language. I am making you see simple way. That's it. There are two nouns, Ram and what? Sita. What is the clause with verb? take pronoun of the closest noun from the verb. Closest noun, close, near. Say, there are three girls. Say, first, second, third. Suppose she is a verb. There are two nouns. Who is close? She is close. Therefore, that means the relation is with closest noun, not far. Close, there is close noun is what? Sita. Not what? Ram. Ram, Sita is close. Therefore, instead of this, Sita and here is Ram, what would be the correct question? What would be the correct question? Yes, be clear. Yes? See, if here is Ram, it could be what? He. Therefore, while taking pronoun, be clear. The closest one, the nearest one, nearest, proximity. It can be difficult for you. Proximity, the rule of proximity, the rule of closeness, the rule of nearness, that is important, right? This is one. You should know this, right? Next one, know this. Next one is, today say, next one, suppose, this is, act. What is act? I would, it could be what? Would also, it could be had also. You know that? If it is had, there is what? Verb 3, that is past participle. Verb 3. If there is would, it is what? Verb 1. Now, how you can make the that question of this? For example, see, go now. What is?
Would see.
Would see. Wouldn't see. Very good. What is? Wouldn't see. Right. The question is wouldn't see. Similarly, if there is, right? Pokhara. What is the correct for that question? I don't see class. What is? I don't see. Do you understand the point, class? Yes or no? Do you understand? Why? Where we use would? Where we use had? This is commonly, you should know that if there is verb 1 after would, that is wouldn't. If there is verb 3, that is had. Had and would. Hadn't and wouldn't. But I am talking something here. Say, I'd rather walk hard. One, say, better work hard. These two sentences looks similar. They look similar. Say, there is DD, there is what? Rather and better. What is work and what? Work. Say, but what is the question? Little bit different here. How can you make it? Second one? Very good. Right? One thing, say, just now we discussed that if there is verb 1, that should be would. But here is verb 1, but there is the word what? Better. What is the word? Better. Remember, better. What word? Better. If there is better and verb, there is always had. There is always had. Therefore, it is what? Right. Good. But it is what? wouldn't I? Right? Hadn't I? Wouldn't I? Why? Because, remember, class, why? Because the first one is would plus, rather plus, Bhagwan, rather, the word rather. And many times this question this question was asked many times. Had better, better, had better, would rather. Use of rather is with would, use of better is with after. That is suggestion. And better. Instead of I, there can be she, they, any pronoun, noun. For example, noun can be there. Say, better do this. What is? Very. This is empty. Simply, what is yard and what is wood? Wood with rather. Yard with better. Just say that.